Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video, and as you can see, a beautiful Honda Civic Ep3 Type R in black with a bit of carbon in the house today for an ECU exchange and remap. So first things first, up on the dyno, stock run, and then we'll crack on with modifying the ECU and get tuning. Of course, black EP3, we've just done an ECU exchange and map. How did that go, Rich?
Great.
It did go great. I thought it sounds really aggressive, this one.
Yeah, a little track car. I think it got a little not a half cage, but got a cage there, bolt-in cage. A bit of a carbon bonnet. Got some basic general mods. I think it's got Tegiwa 70mm, 4-to-1 manifold, and a Dynodaze induction kit.
Available on the website.
Yeah, I mean, sort of, we normally say max are sort of 230.
228.
228. So I'm really happy with that. I think
made 40 brake horsepower in the mid-range.
Yeah, I made an absolute dollop in the mid-range.
Dollop, that's the word. That's the code word for the video.
Yeah,
dollop.
I made a right dollop in the mid-range.
Dollop.
Yeah, it looks a really impressive graph over the standard map. So I'm really genuinely happy with that. I think that there's no way driving that now would not feel different. That's for sure.
Came on a trailer because it's not road legal, so he's taking it away on a trailer. But it is a dedicated track car. So he's going to go and have lots of fun in that, I would imagine.
Oh, definitely. I would imagine straight out on a track day in the new year.
What's next, Rich, today? FN2.
FN2. We've got some mods we're fitting, and then that's got a map. I'm sort of plodding along with the UK, which we've touched on. Obviously, trying to get the metalwork finished for Christmas so that it can go round to see Uncle Keith.
Yeah.
And Uncle Keith has got an alpha in there for some paintwork for a rear bumper. He's got a rear bumper for an Audi
John
A5.
from 800 BHP, if you're watching.
Yeah. He's got a A5 rear bumper in there. And I think we booked a van in for a side load door, some bits for early on the new year, didn't we? So, yeah, it's all moving forward this week. A bit of a light week on both sides, but that's the way we like it. I don't want to load it.
We've actually loaded it up the start of the week, and then it peters off, doesn't it?
Yeah, we don't want any hassle come Thursday, Friday, do we? Because we're off and that's it. We're done for Christmas. So.
No, we don't. Although we are mapping a Fiat Doblo or something on Wednesday. So that could be the end of us.
Yeah, that could be the end of us.
Because I've run out of 2023... fucks to give.
There we are. Yeah. That's it. And then you're done.
Yeah, my new stock of 2024 fucks doesn't arrive till next year now.
Yeah.
Let's look at the graph.
Let's have a look at the graph.
Okay, as we always say, red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. 40 brake horsepower in the mid-range there. Extended the rev range out a little bit, lowered the VTEC, and we finish on 228 brake horsepower. That's 192 at the wheels. And as Richard said, a big dollop, and dollop is the code word. If you guys need any parts, whether it's inlet manifolds, induction kits, exhaust, you give us a shout. We've got them all on the website. We've got loads of Skunk2 stuff in stock, so do give us a shout. Code word dollop, and we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
Before, and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.
it.